Okay, moving toward the first experiment, that was about the positional transducers. We have three types of positional transducers in this trainer. One is slider and a slidery positional transducer, and two are rotary. In the rotary, we have two different types of tracks: the carbon track and the wire wound track. In carbon track, resistance is provided because of the carbon material. A carbon track basically, and in wire wound track, basically the resistance is provided with a wire wound, like inductive coil, just like this. uh, this one has a better current capacity than this one. This one will be used for controlling the voltages, or the controlling or giving the resistance in a high voltage rating appliances. So, and it has a better resolution. Well, this is a theory that is also written in the curriculum manual. We will just begin with our experiment. While using as a potentiometer, these three are basically variable resistors, which can be used for giving a variable resistance to the circuit, or for getting the variable voltages between the two terminals, a fixed one and the moving coil, a fixed one and the moving terminal, that is B. This B has a wiper that wipes on that track to adjust the resistance between this and this point. So as if these variable resistors are used as resistance, then only two terminals of this sensor or this transducers are used, either this and this, i.e. one fixed and one movable, and this or this. And if you want to use it as a potentiometer, you will be using all three of its terminals. You will provide the 0 volt at its base, and 5 or 10 or 12, whatever you want to give, that are available here at the other fixed terminal. For example, let me give it for example 5 volt, and to measure the voltage variation, you need this terminal, that is the moving terminal, and you will connect it with the voltmeter, and obviously the second terminal of the voltmeter will be grounded. So this was basically the first experiment. Always make the circuit while turning the trainer off. So it is a potentiometer. See, when the resistance between the point B and A, or point B and C, is changed, the voltage drop across this terminal is also changing. For example, now in this circuit you can vary the voltage from 0 to 5 volt. Similarly, one of this works on the logarithmic scale, and the remaining two works on the linear scale. By linear scale, I mean there is a linear relationship between the position and the resistance, and in the logarithmic scale, mechanical transducer, positional transducer, there is a logarithmic relationship between resistance and the position of this knob or this slider. So this is the similarly you can use this for if you want to use it as a variable resistor, you will use only its two terminals, these two terminals, in any circuit you made here, you will make on this trainer. Same is the case here. If you apply 5 volt across its fixed ends, then you can get the variable output voltage from the terminal B. See, now it is the slider positional transducer. When the slider position is changed, the output is also changed. So it was all about the positional transducers.